So I'm bringing up that loop to here, but as I said, I only want to have one end. So I'm going to have to cut that end. I'll leave a pair of scissors here at the warping pegs. Cut that end, and I'm going to leave a bit of a loop so that it's easy to get off this warping peg when I come to that. Okay, so now that one's knotted on, I'm going to go to the next space in the reed, and this time I get to take a loop through, take it directly to my warping peg and just pop it on. Method here, so the paper's really essential. Oh, my paper's just the right size for the width of this scarf. So just roll that in manually to start with, and then I'll come back here and just do like what I normally would for yank and crank. Wind, take my last ties off. So 2-1, lay it out as I normally do, and then I can reach through and use my hook to and then 1. The warp stays nicely tensioned because I'm not letting that go. So I can kind of control the tension as I'm winding it too. So at this point, I just want to test my sheds to make sure that everything's looking good. Yep, so 1 and 2, 3 and 4, just testing the combinations.